Hi everybody, and welcome back to Charde Crochets. Welcome for the first time if it's your first time, or welcome back if you are already subscribed or have watched me before. So today's topic, this is my first video like actually talking to you guys, so I'm really excited about that. But today I wanted to talk about how to travel, because I used to have a lot of issues. It's not really a big deal, but I used to have a lot of issues with traveling and carrying my stuff with me. You know, I would put my big orange, sewing scissors inside of my bag, and I would think that's fine. And I would also put all my metal hooks in my bag, and I would think that that was fine. So a lot of times it does kind of depend on what airport that you fly into. But I found like flying into certain places, because I go to some of the same places all the time, I found that my bag would get flagged a lot, and then it would actually get delayed, and they would have to like literally drive my bag to me. So I finally asked, it happened like 2 or 3 times before I even asked, why does this happen to me? And I asked the attendant when I was making my little bag claim, and she said, well, what do you have in there? And I told her, and she's like, oh, it's the scissors, and it might even be your hooks. So I wanted to show you how I travel and actually crochet on the plane. If it's a long plane ride, that's always a good way to get a couple of hours of work in. So this is my newest hook. It's a G hook. It's wooden from Nelson Wood. He makes custom hooks, but of course wooden hooks do not get flagged. So if you have one of those, as long as there's no metal in it, you're probably gonna be okay. But I also, this is everything that I need in this little bag here. So I inherited this cute bag from an aunt, and I love it so much. Normally I do carry like all of my hooks in here, all of my metal hooks too, but literally this is all I have in here now, and this is all I need for the road. So let's see, I just basically bought a really cute kit that had all plastic hooks. I don't like them as much, but they're great for on the road and you won't get flagged. This kit came with size, let's see, can you see? I don't even know if it's backwards. Size G through size, let's see, come on, size K. That's a K hook. Okay. So size G through size K, which is what, 6.5 millimeters. So it was a pretty nice kit, pretty standard. It might have been Susan Bates, I think. I'll try to find that and like link it for you guys. But I also inherited a couple of plastic hooks from my aunt, so just random little sizes. This one was really cool. It's a 8mm hook. I think that's an L hook. But most importantly, the thing that was really getting me in trouble and getting my bag flagged was my scissors. So I have a whole bunch of these, and they always break off the little what are they called? They're called like a needle threader or whatever. They usually have a little piece here, and I always break them all the time. So I have a whole bunch of them that don't have that function anymore, but they do have a little razor blade on the back, and I actually usually can carry these on the plane. They don't really flag that. And if they did, it's so cheap. It's like, less than $1 for these. So if they did take it, I wouldn't care really, but I would never want them to take my scissors or anything nice for me. So I usually just pack this inside of this little carrying case, and I also have my little measuring tape in there. I probably should get a new one. It's kind of ratchet since it's on a video. I might need to upgrade that soon, but yeah, these are really cool. All you do is slide your little yarn in that slit and it cuts it right away, and it's small, it's easy to carry. If they took it, nobody would care. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys like my little traveling case so that my bag never gets flagged, and so that, you know, I can still get a lot of work done while I'm on the road. So basically it's just any plastic hooks, any wooden hooks, any anything that is very small that could cut. Like I recommend this thing. It cuts it just fine, and a measuring tape, and you can get more projects done on the road. I mean, plane rides are what, 2 to 5 hours typically, so that's a lot of work you could get done. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.